It has to be. Has to be. I have no hints left. I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, here we go. Am I sure? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hello, welcome to Easy English. So you might have seen I've made about a dozen videos about understanding the UK. You might then think I'm a bit of a know-it-all. So instead of me teaching you, I'm going to put myself to the test with a quiz about Britain in the style of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? If you also want to play along, then follow the link in the description below and let me know how you get on. Anyway, if we're going to do a good quiz, then we need a good studio background, some good music to build tension, and here we go. Wow, this is tough. I don't really know this. I'm not really a big Harry Potter fan. I know what it looks like though. It's where all the candles are floating around, I think. And they put on that hat that sort of abuses them. This is tough for 2000. Right, I'm gonna do a hint, just to see. Hopefully it gives me a good option. Here we go. The answer is not C. Brilliant. God, I'll do another hint. It's not A. Okay, I'm gonna go for Oxford. I could be really wrong here, but just Oxford is quite an old university, so it makes sense. Here we go.